Here's problem 4 from the 2018 AMC 8. A 12-sided figure is drawn on 1 cm by 1 cm graph paper. It's a symmetric pinwheel shape whose corners all land on the grid points. What is the area of the figure? In square centimeters? The choices are 12, 12.5, 13, 13.5, and 14. You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Let's draw it on the grid. Here is the graph paper. 5 units wide and 5 units tall. And here is our 12-sided pinwheel figure, with every corner sitting exactly on a lattice point. Because every corner is on a lattice point, we can use Pick's theorem. It says the area of a lattice polygon equals I plus b over 2 minus 1, where I is the number of grid points inside the figure and b is the number of grid points on its boundary. First we count the boundary points, the grid points that lie on the edges of the figure. There are exactly 12 of them, 1 at each corner. So b equals 12. Next we count the interior points, the grid points strictly inside the figure. There are 8 of them. So I equals 8. Now plug into Pick's theorem. Area equals 8 plus 12 over 2 minus 1. 12 over 2 is 6. So that's 8 plus 6 minus 1, which is 13. You can double check this by cutting the figure into a central 3 by 3 square of area 9. Plus 4 little triangles of area 1 each, giving 9 plus 4, which is also 13. The area is 13 square centimeters. Choice C. The answer is 13.